I'm sitting here at what would have been my office. So, when I was working full time, I found times to work on my business. So, when I would take a break at my office, because my last 5 years of nursing, I worked at an office on a computer just like this. I'm actually in my husband's office right now. I would take a break and I would work on my business. So I'm in a system here. I would track my conversations with my customers, with those people that I was talking about being in a challenge group. I would follow up with messages, and then I would get back to my job. And that's how I would fit in those 10-minute increments of work. And here I am at my home office. So I'm just making this video for you guys who may be stay-at-home parents, okay? So if you're stay-at-home parents and you have kids that require your attention, this is how you do your job as a Beachbody coach. I have my kids in the kitchen making their snack after school. So while they're doing that, I get a little bit of work done, and there you go. I answered a few messages and back to my kids. Super easy.